about to leave, already packing. Come with me.
We're obviously not actors.
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey Nolan, I'm going to take this up to Divers Den and then we'll meet you at Craigie's.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Oh, okay, we'll hear that.
It was funnier the first time. We're obviously not actors.
Speak for yourself.
By we, I meant me. That was cool. I'm super pumped for next one's. That was fun.
The Niagara. If not the Carolina Rose, it'll be nice. It's a sweepstakes you'll like. It's only in like 12 feet of water, but it's a nice big old rack. If the Niagara's no good, we'll do the Carolina Rose and then we'll hit the sweepstakes when we get back on the boat still.
Okay. Throw out some gang signs. There you go. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if you realized, but you put them back in the bag and you didn't even offer them.
Not very nice, Captain. You're being...
No, don't break them. They're Oreos. As much time as we need until Doug gets back.
Doug.
Ditcher.
Big
Pokey.
Doug. Hey, Pokey. Go Big Doug. I want to go to that sweet shop too.
Doug made us wait far too long, so we started playing point 'em out games and pointed at everybody that walked towards us and assumed it was Doug.
I do need a slate to write my notes. Yeah.
Hey, he's here. Is it him? I can't tell from that far away.
Yep.
Hark, I see a man, but he's carrying a black tank. That does not be his. It is him.
It is him, and the other guy probably has his tanks in there.
You are so smart.
Give you a round for the
Probably because
brains.
his tanks
Your
weigh
math
twice
is
as
superb.
much.
Probably.
You got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're all here, Captain.
I carried my 80s up there. I'm not carrying 133s down.
You should get. Oh, sorry.
Okay. I'm not recording me.
Hey.
Hi. It's 20 bucks to put me on film.
Well, I mean, it's
Kind
not
of a
my
big deal.
camera.
I'm already
so
paid. It's my film.
I was gonna say.
There's film in that? Man, come on, get digital.
No, who does digital nowadays?
The Niagara II was a 180-foot long, 700-ton freighter built out of steel, and it was launched in England in the year 1930. The Niagara II was purchased in 1998 to be scuttled as a dive site in the Tobermory area. To scuttle a ship is to deliberately sink the ship, to either be used as a dive site or as a false reef in the ocean.
Morrison. Took in a ton of water. Yeah.
Here's where the captain kind of explained the ship that we were about to dive, but I couldn't get the audio quite right, so here's my iteration. The Caroline Rose was a 132-foot long, 250-ton schooner sailboat. She is one of only 3 ships found on the back of the Canadian $100 bill. She was scuttled on August 27, 1990. A few weeks after she was sunk, a storm pushed the wreck 150 feet closer to the shore, damaging her to the point she is nearly unrecognizable.
That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning. We'll do it again.
Sounds like a plan.
How was your day, boys?
It was glorious.
Wet.
Was it fun?
Oh yeah.
Did you go deep?
Kidding? I saw 2 turtles, an eagle ray, and a shark.
A shark, yeah, there's a shark.
And there's that one-horned buttfish.
And the jellyfish.
Why do I have the biggest one?